So how do you attach a file to an email on the iPad? Let me show you exactly how it would work. And if this is your first time on the Foxtecc channel, most definitely subscribe for more tutorials and videos like this one. Anyways, you open up the Mail app of your choice. It's likely gonna work very similar across multiple different platforms, but if you are using the built-in Apple Mail client, that one is obviously working well. You can get inside and all you have to do is to start a new message. So you click on the new message button and all of the things are going to appear in a window, like the place the text field for the recipient, for the subject, and the body, right? So make sure you fill it out, but you need to click on the body of the text, which is right below the subject, right? I mean, not in the subject line, but right below. And when you click on that, that is the body of the text. And when you click here, you can see more things are going to appear at the bottom, like more tools and buttons. And this allows us to add the attachment. So you can see we have the ability to play with the text or add some drawing in here, but we need to click on the paperclip icon, which lets us add image or use the camera to capture it in real time. But also we can import files from our Files app, and that's how you can attach any file type. It might be a PDF or, I don't know, a presentation or Word document, whatever it might be. You can attach it from your Files app right to your mail. So I hope it makes sense. I really hope you were able to make it work on your device. Thanks a lot for watching, and I hope to see you later in the next videos as well.